Hello and welcome. We are doing the second video on online marketing. Online marketing, also known as internet marketing, is the practice of leveraging web-based channels to spread message about a company's brand, product, or services to its potential clients. Internet marketing has tremendously grown over the last few years through innumerable opportunities abound online. It takes more effort and resources to succeed with internet marketing. In the next section, we shall look at some powerful tips that can help you harness the full power of internet marketing to grow your business. I'm going to share a few powerful tips of internet marketing that will help you grow your small business into a bigger brand. Tip number one, you should know your niche. Since internet marketing is really broad field, it is important for you to know your customers and what they want. Many companies conduct consumer and market research so that they can understand the mindset and preference of buying patterns for their target buyers. As an entrepreneur or a business person, you have to target a specific market or a specific audience. These will be reflected in the choice of keywords for those who are running website adverts for your SEOs, and for Facebook adverts, it will help you in choosing your target audience. Know the type of customers you want, know their age, their preferences, demography, and their locations. Create an internet marketing plan. An internet marketing plan informs all your decisions and activities at every stage of the way. It also helps you develop and implement your sound strategies and evaluate the outcome or the results of your activities. Your internet marketing plan should highlight all measurable objectives and goals and to establish milestones for your marketing activities. Most importantly, you should integrate your internet marketing business plan with your company's existing business plan and ensure it is in harmony with the medium and long-term business goals. Small business owners tend to run Facebook adverts continuously without ultimate goal in the name of looking for sales. Some of these adverts end up draining the same sales that you've acquired in the period that the advert was running. Having a plan helps you evaluate each and every advert, that the way it has performed, the conversions, and it will also help you in decision making for the next marketing plan. Tip number three, you should know your competitors. Expansion of online-based business and advancement of marketing technologies has made internet marketing a highly competitive section. The number of well-established business online presents a big challenge to market entrants. Market entrants are the small business owners. If you want to grow your business and remain on top of your internet marketing niche, then you have to know your competitors, particularly their respective strengths and weaknesses. To know your competitors, one, you have to conduct a market intelligence and analyze the information about your competitors' products, services, pricing, consumer policy, and their value proposition. When you have all these details at hand, you'll be in a good position to make informed decisions and how to execute a powerful sales and marketing campaign. Tip number four, create a professional website and optimize it. Your business website is your entry point to the world of internet marketing. It is the first thing that visitors and consumers see before they even know you at a personal level. Your website should reflect your company values and provide adequate answers to the new customers so that they can make quick decisions. To make your site useful, you have to include important sections like FAQs, emails, chat support functions, and if necessary, you can have a ticket system. This is for big companies like Safaricom, whereby they have a number of clients, so a ticket system will be able to organize your schedule. The important thing here is to create and maintain a professional image for your company or for your small business. For small businesses that are just running on social media pages, I would advise you to make your page look in a professional way. An impressive and interactive social media page will create a good impression to your potential buyers. Tip number five, Make use of social media. Without a doubt, social media marketing is a fast growing phase of internet marketing. It has the potential to generate enormous sales and revenue for any business. Before you jump into the social media bandwagon, you should take time to know your market demography and the right social media channels for you to reach your audience. Once you know your audience, you should create corporate profile pages and social media accounts for your business in LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and even WhatsApp. Use them to engage existing and new followers. Embrace email marketing. Email marketing is an integral component of today's internet marketing business strategy. It is not only inexpensive, but also highly effective when used properly. It is much easier to send promotional emails to existing customers and prospects than to use direct mails for the same purpose. There are several email software as a service providers such as Benchmark, Mailchimp, and GetResponse, which provide high-end features to guarantee better click-through rates and market success. If you have not been using email marketing, then it is high time that you start using one, especially for those who have websites. Create a unified and consistent brand message. Your brand is a powerful factor in sales and marketing process. It can draw customers and make them loyal to you, or it can shoo them away. Your brand is reflected in several ways, from the user interface of your websites, social media pages, your responses, and your customer care experience, and the way you engage customers or followers on social media. If your business employs cross-channel internet marketing, then you have to create and maintain a unified brand message. Brand message is not just about what you communicate to your audience, but what your audience and consumers know and experience about you. Make sure that your visitors and loyal consumers experience your brand and get satisfaction and see a unified, consistent message. You have to watch your reputation online. As far as you want to proceed with internet marketing to expand your business, watch your reputation online. Reputation management is an integral part of internet marketing that helps you deal with potential damaging issues in a timely and professional manner. Actually, you cannot grow your brand if your business has a poor reputation. Your reputation is not just about what other people say about your business on social media space, but about how you relate with your customers and audience. Don't pay too much attention on making money until you forget the concerns of customers and prospects. Make sure you safeguard consumer privacy and maintain good relations with the consumers. It's advisable that you consult or even hire an internet marketing company to develop and implement a good reputation management plan for your business. Remember, when your reputation goes, so does your traffic and sales. I believe that I've taught you something that will boost your small business to grow. Put a comment below, and you can also share your expectations and other things that you know about internet marketing so that we can capture them in the next video. Don't forget to like the video soon. Stay blessed and thank you for watching.